So this is confirm back to sender. Confirm back to sender. Whenever enemy, whenever they want to try something bad with you, they will never ever come closer to you, and none of the attack will penetrate in your life. So you need one coconut, and you need a bitter kola. So this bitter kola, cut it into 9, not more than 9. If you cut it more than 9, throw it away. So you need this bitter kola, cut it into 9. Then find something like sharp objects, remove one hole from this coconut, then put all this bitter kola one by one in this coconut. Then after that, collect your urine. It's not matter of early morning urine. You can do it anytime. Collect your urine and you put it in this hole. Then find something